Hey everyone, it's Astrema Simone here, and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm gonna be sharing a huge grocery haul. Plus, you guys are gonna be cooking with me. I got a new toaster oven that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys a little bit later in this video today. So behind me, you could kind of get like a little sneak peek of the grocery haul. I did go to Costco and Aldi. I didn't expect to get so many things, but you know, it's a different story when you get into there. Before I get into the haul, you guys, I did want to make like a little disclaimer, a disclaimer that no one asked for. There weren't anyone complaining or saying anything. This is just a personal thing that I'm bringing on to you guys. If you want to skip this part, you can, but I just wanted to say I've calmed down on showing you guys my grocery hauls and some of my shopping hauls. Even though you guys keep asking me for more grocery hauls and you like to see it, I slowed down on it as a personal preference, only because I don't want to seem like I'm showing off or trying to brag about all of the items that I'm purchasing, whether it be grocery or other things. Some of you guys kind of have me as this product junkie or shopping addict, and I don't really want to, you know, have that narrative over my head or to make it seem as if I'm trying to show off. And not that any of you are finding a grocery haul as me showing off. I just don't want to be perceived in that way or make you feel inadequate, like you can't afford things or you can't get everything or you have to run out and get everything. I don't want you to feel that way. If you're not feeling that way, great, but if you are, don't feel that way, please. My purpose of sharing grocery hauls, just as everyone else shares grocery hauls, is to give you some ideas or show you some new things. You know, your girl's always finding things, whether it be grocery hauls, home decor hauls, or whatever type of haul. I was thinking about that and I'm like, let me just come and tell y'all how I feel. You know, I'm always transparent and real. So moving forward, I will start to show more of my grocery hauls like I was before. Many of you keep asking for it. And now that I'm in the kitchen more and I'm going to be sharing more cooking videos, I feel like grocery hauls kind of go hand in hand with the cooking videos, especially if I have to run out and get more stuff for whatever it is that I'm cooking, because I'm going to be trying out new dishes. I just had to get that out the way. I will put the price on the screen. I'm not going to remember the prices off the dome, just in case you want to go to Costco's or Aldi. You know, Aldi is very very affordable, and then Costco's can come in clutch when you're trying to stock up on things, you know, because they come in bigger sizes. So you guys, let me stop rambling. So I'm just setting the tone in the kitchen with my pumpkin cream cookie candle that I had got from Aldi a couple of weeks ago. You guys, I burn this candle like every other day. It smells so good. Aldi's candles is bomb, all right? But enough of that. I do have my items on the floor only because it's a huge haul and I wanted to group everything together and show you all at once. And the Aldi's and Costco things are kind of mixed in together, so I'll just put the price up on the screen and where it's from. Here we got detergent. The Kirkland is the Costco brand, which is the affordable version of your name brand. Free and clear, hypoallergenic. Can't wait to test it out. I don't think it has a scent. I smelled it. It's like a subtle smell. To go with that, I did get this ultra soft, which to me smells a little bit like downy, and it is the fresh scent, and I can't wait, you guys. Like what? And then I did get Kirkland Ultra Soft. It is the dryer sheet. Smells really good. Like, it's smelling up the whole place. They also have Bounce, but this was a little more affordable and it smelled really good. So I said, why not? I got this big cup noodles, the chicken flavor. How many is in here? I'll put up on the screen how many, you guys. And my daughter and my boyfriend, if you've been watching me, you know they love this cup noodle stuff. I do not like it. They eat it. Even when there's food in the house, they just like it. I got this 2-pack of the 250 square feet Reynolds wrap. It was an okay price, but listen, it's gonna last me a minute. I got 2 packs of the Kirkland purified water. It was like $3 and change. I'm gonna put the price though. It's about 40. Yeah, 40 in here. Lakeith and I like to just grab waters and go, although I do have a Brita, so we just like to use this. Some junk food for my daughter and my boyfriend. We got the Fun Flavor Mix 54 bag of the mixed Frito-Lay. We got the Flamin' Hot Cheetos. I don't like any of that. We got jalapeno. I don't like any of that. A lot of these things I don't like. This is where it gets good, right? the croissants. Ooh! Am I denting up my croissants? As soon as you walk in Costco's, all you're smelling is the butter croissants. I had one, I'm not gonna lie. That's why this empty space right there. So good. Oh, yeah, so good. Picked this up. Variety pack of cookies. We got macadamia, oatmeal, and this is chocolate chip. And a good price for all of that. I got this I'm falling. This big pack of, that's just a piece of something. I don't know what that is. Ziploc variety pack. Got the gallon, quart, snack, and the sandwich bag. I would recommend to get something like this if you use the baggies a lot. I do. And then I got 2 packs this time of the Pediasure. Mila goes through these. She loves them. And this is what it is right now. So I'm keep it stocked until she gets out of the Pediasure phase. And then I did get the scented kitchen bags, Flex Tech. 200 bags in here, 13 gallon, you guys. So we're gonna test that out. It's by the Kirkland brand. And I did get the flushable wipes. I've actually tried one of these before. Someone gave me a pack before. I actually like it. So if you use flushable wipes a lot, I would recommend to get this big pack. There's 632. I do buy the Equate brand from Walmart in like the 5-pack, and I'm gonna start to get this, okay? Because it just makes more sense, and the price as well. I did get this mega bag of nacho cheese Doritos. My daughter loves this. I also did find this big bottle of Moscato. It was like 7, I think. I love Moscato wine. And the last thing I got from Costco is this hot cocoa classic by Starbucks, you guys. What drew my attention to this was the canister itself. I really like this. Look at that. You can use it after the fact. Once it's done, I'm gonna just buy cocoa and put it in there, even if it's not from Starbucks, because this is so nice. And it says just add hot milk and stir. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so nice. I just love it. Okay, moving on to Aldi's. We got a variety pack of the instant oatmeal, which was a really good price. Got plastic yellow cake mix, and I got 2 of them because it was like in the Aldi's fine section. It says no synthetic colors. They also had the white and the chocolate. It was like $1 and change. And then I also got the walnut premium brownie mix. It was like $1 and change in the Aldi fine section. Aldi's fines doesn't only have like home decor and stuff like that. It has like a variety of things, even food. I got a pack of black tea by Brenner. I like this brand. It tastes really close to like your name brand. So I've never picked up the black tea, but I ran out of my Lipton, and we gonna test this one out right here. I got a pack of chicken thighs, which I'm actually going to be using today to cook. I actually do have chicken thighs already, but they're frozen, and I didn't feel like throwing anything out, you guys. So I just got me another pack. We got some new things, autumn, fall things. The pumpkin spice limited edition coconut whipped topping. I've actually tried the actual coconut whipped topping that they sell there on a regular. It's really good. So I'm very curious to see how the pumpkin spice one tastes. I did get like a regular half and half, just in case this coconut cream coffee creamer doesn't taste that well. And I think this is something limited as well. I don't know. I've never seen it in there before. Maybe it's something new they're bringing. Very curious to see how this coconut one tastes. And then I've never seen this one before. Cinnamon donut sticks with icing. Looks good. We gonna see. I did get me apple strudel bread, you guys. If you used to watch me when I was living in Charlotte and I discovered this around this time last year, you knew I was addicted, and I told yeah, I need to get you some apple strudel bread. Ever since I shared that, I barely see the apple strudel bread in there, but I did see some today, so I just grabbed me 1 pack. This is so good, you guys. Toasted a little bit of butter, a little bit of cream cheese. Oh my gosh, so good. Even my daughter love it. I got my whole family loving this apple strudel bread, you guys. It's so good. And then I just picked up some mini muffins and blueberry and confetti cake for Mila. She liked those little muffins. And I did pick up 1 kombucha. Sometimes I like to drink it. Not all the time, but yeah. Berry Nirvana. I've had this one before. It's really good. It was on sale today, actually. I did pick up this rosemary infused extra virgin olive oil. It got the rosemary at the bottom, you guys. I'm going to be using this today, more than likely, to cook. Get a pack of gala apples. They're very juicy, actually, right now, because I did cut one earlier for Mila. Very juicy. And I did pick up an adobo all-purpose seasoning. The one I have right now is running low, so I just picked this up. And I also got, which is very light, parsley flakes, which I might use today as well. Also in the Aldi's fine section, I found this container right here. It's for juice, I believe, and they have like other patterns, but I really like this one, maybe like a maroon, and they have a little bit of it in the rosary, which I really like. And then, you guys, you know I can't go to Aldi's without getting candles. Look at my 2 new additions. I don't mean to yell, but you know how I feel about candles. So look, they had other candles, like a lot more candles, and I looked at all of them. but nothing came close to these. I've never seen, they need a spotlight right now. They need their own spotlight right now. I've never seen the Fall & Company. This must be new, or I've never came across it. They had 2 more scents, but these were the 2 that I fell in love with. So the vanilla cinnamon cream, oh, so good. I felt like I wanted to pick up the whole thing, but I'm like, let me not be stingy. Gotta save some for others. I shop less selfishly now. Pumpkin praline smells really good too, you guys. Oh my gosh, just look at this. Like, they stepping up their game. Look at the aesthetic of this candle. You don't have the Huntington all over it like the other ones. They have their little logo there. But what I love the most about this is the airtight container that it comes in. It's so tight that I had to put you guys down to open it. So once the candle finished burning out, you can use this for things. Airtight container, guys. Airtight like the ones I have here. Even more airtight. It was so tough to come off just now. Beautiful. This oatmeal cookie tastes like they made it with real oats, like from the bakery. You guys, I just got finished packing the things away, and I know y'all probably like, dang, Astrema, you got all those big things, where you gonna put it? Kitchen small. I don't know. So I kind of just put everything to the side right here by the front door. All the smaller things were easier to put away, so those are not gonna stay right there. I'm just putting it there because I want to get started cleaning the chicken and everything and prepping and showing y'all the toaster oven. If you remember from the apartment tour, oh my god, this cookie, that's bad etiquette. Hold on. So if you remember, I had these 2 closets, so I'm gonna use one of them to store pantry items that are like big. After I'm finished filming, I'm gonna put everything in there. Alright, you guys, so really quickly an overview of this. So this is the Joe Young Stillman air fryer toaster oven. It is 25 quarts, 1700 watts. The price, amazing. I'll have a link down below if you're interested in it. It's like $189.99 right now, and there's a coupon, so make sure you go. Alright, so anyways, this air fryer slash toaster oven makes cooking a very easy process. It's multifunctional. It can serve as a toaster, dehydrator, thaw box, air fryer, oven, all of that in one. It has 14 preset functions on it, and when you open it, inside a rotisserie tray, which we're going to be using for the chicken and the potatoes most likely, and this is the fryer basket, the wire rack, so you can take all out or just have one in, or 3 at the same time. There's also a dual wall glass window plus a cool touch handle to avoid overheating, and you have this stainless steel metal look, which is very aesthetic, and all of the pieces inside of here are dishwasher safe. You can create many dishes from pizza, cookies, cake, chicken, which we're going to be doing today, and it comes with this little cookbook inside that's great for inspiration, and there's also an instructional manual, and there's production steps inside of here, and tells you everything you need right down to the T for different recipes, you guys. I'm also going to be doing potatoes. Lockie's cleaned the chicken, seasoned it for me, so now I'll do the potatoes. Alright, so I got this bag of potatoes, a couple of maybe a week ago or more than that. I think I'm gonna do, this one look a little deformed, what the heck? I think I'm gonna do 3 potatoes, I think. Well, I'll keep cutting it in 4s. You think it's okay? You say? How about cutting it in 4s? You think it's okay? Or should I cut it in another?
I guess. Astrema, I don't make potatoes.
It would just be like if you was doing it for the first time.
I would just use my...
I mean, I ask you for your discretion.
Whatever you feel comfortable with.
We's both eating it. Do you want it cut in another half?
It doesn't matter.
run and put my hair up. You guys, I'm here trying to be cute for y'all. Unsanitary having all the hair down. But anyways, I transferred all the potatoes to this big mixing bowl and I decided to cut them like a decent size. So I am going to season the potatoes with some onion powder, garlic powder. Lakeith wants some Mrs. Dash, salt free, and I'm going to put some parsley. I'm going to use the new rosemary infused extra virgin olive oil from Aldi that I shared in the haul today. I'm going to preheat the toaster oven. Alright, so now I'm going to put it on the preheat setting, which is the very first setting, that fire sign. Why I come off of it, I don't know. Alright you guys, so I got the toaster oven running. I did set it for 350 at 45 minutes according to the cookbook. And you can see it's in there chilling. I ended up using the outlet that's in the cabinet that I shared with you guys in the last video and sat it right here. I removed everything from there and put it here for now, and when I'm not using it, I just put it away. Alright you guys, so it's about a little more than halfway through. The chicken is already starting to crisp up a bit, as you can see. So I'm just gonna flip it over. That's optional, you don't have to flip it, but I just want to flip it. Alright you guys, so it is complete and it's looking so delectable, so luscious. And I got some steamed broccoli on the side and I'm going to make our plates in a second. Show you a little close up. This is fully cooked in 45 minutes. It looks so juicy. Those potatoes though, oh my gosh you guys. Okay, I'm going to taste test the chicken. That rosemary infused olive oil tastes good. And it smells good too. Potato. Nice little crisp. Healthy, quick dinner option in the toaster oven. I didn't even do anything. All I did was just boil some broccoli and the oven did everything else for me. All right, you guys, so I'm about to dive in, make everyone else's plate, and I hope that you enjoyed this vlog today. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are new so that you don't miss out on any other videos that I have coming. And I really enjoyed hanging out with you guys today. If you want to see more cooking videos, make sure you thumbs up the video and that'll let me know that you're interested. I will see you in the next one. Bye.